On this lesson, we're going to talk about appointment statuses. So, as you can see, we have an icon in front of each one of the appointments, and those represent the different types of statuses that we can have for appointments. So if you hover the mouse here, you can select what type of appointments you want to show in your calendar. But besides that, it is also good to having the history of the patient and the customer, the statuses for the ones that had been completed, not attended, canceled, rescheduled, and so on. The first option, you have to change the status for an appointment. Let's say that we call this customer and this customer has confirmed to attend the appointment. Would be for me to double click, and when I double click on the appointment, that pops up and I could change right here as confirmed. But I will close this tab, and I'm going to use instead the right click of the mouse, not the left, but the right click of the mouse on that appointment. And right on spot, I can do exactly the same by just choosing the appointment change. So here is now confirmed. If you have the program running multiple computers, we have seen several of our clients doing what we call the silent communication. Suppose you have one of a large screen showing the calendar and this customer shows up, you can just say, waiting. So doctors will have on the screen a clear view of who is on the front desk waiting to be assisted. When the doctors start working with the patient, they can change to in course. So the front deskers know which patient are being assisted at the moment and who the doctor is with. The doctor or technician could, as soon as the thing has been completed, to come here and put a star, which finishes the case. Again, all these records are maintained in the patient file. So when you look at the history, you're going to be able to see which patients attended, which ones simply, for example, let's say that this customer here simply did not show up. Next time this customer is trying to set up an appointment, you're going to clearly see, that last time it was not attended. For my case here, I'm going to leave just as scheduled, and nothing has changed. So today you've learned how to update appointment status in the WISE Option calendar. Thanks for watching.